And we're mainly focusing on comparing hunter-gatherer childhoods with those childhoods that we see in economically developed countries. We actually refer to them as WEIRD countries, which is an acronym that many anthropologists use. And that stands for Western, Educated, Industrialized, Rich, and Democratic. It's an apt name because the way we live in WEIRD societies is very distant from the way our species has lived across time and space in our prehistory, our history, and in other parts of the world. So the reason we thought it'd be important to compare hunter-gatherer and WEIRD childhoods is because we lived as hunter-gatherers for the vast majority of our species' evolutionary history, more than 95%. And there's this concept in evolutionary biology of evolutionary mismatch, which is if certain systems or traits that have evolved in a species, they will always have evolved to function in a particular environment. And if an organism then faces environmental conditions that are really different to those conditions where certain aspects of their biology or psychology evolved to function in, then there's this possibility for maladaptation, or in the case of when we're thinking about psychiatry, of mental disorder. The focus here was comparing the childcare systems and the education systems with how hunter-gatherer childcare happens and how hunter-gatherer children learn, and then thinking about the implications of this for children's mental health in WEIRD societies.